My tour guide for Engineering Ambassadors, she was a really cool person. She was really passionate about her field that she was studying. And for me, that was the first time that I actually saw, wow, an engineer can be a really cool person. And so for me, I saw myself here because of her, and that's why I chose Penn State. What really surprised me about my education here at Penn State is that it's really my own. You know, it's up to me to go to class and to schedule my classes and to make my college career what I want it to be. I love that we have to take different gen eds to get us outside of our engineering courses. And for me, what I personally did for my education, I decided to minor in engineering leadership development. The minor is a great way that got me outside of my traditional engineering courses and put me in more creative and innovative classes that allowed me to use different types of problem-solving skills, creative skills, and to just work in teams to accomplish projects and goals. One of my most impactful experiences at Penn State has been with my involvement with the Engineering Leadership Development minor. For one of the courses, I worked in a group where we came up with different solutions to more effectively wash and dry moringa leaves. Moringa leaves are a product of Zimbabwe, and they take moringa leaves, they wash them, they dry them, and then they process them into nutritional supplements. Their current processes before our project left some of the leaves very moldy because they were wet and that they didn't dry them effectively, so they had to, in turn, throw a lot out as waste and discard them. And so our project was tasked at how do we get rid of this problem and how do we decrease the amount of waste that we have with these moringa leaves. So I just remember this one memory. We were at the creamery and we were sitting at a table and we brainstormed different ideas that we had for the project. And at the remainder of our brainstorming session, the greenhouses were conveniently located right next to the creamery. And we had to go actually in the greenhouses, talk to some of the employees, and extract some moringa leaves that our director, Mike Erdman, had been growing there. And for me, that was one of the first moments here that it was an aha moment of, wow, like I am doing something actually with my engineering classes. I'm actually working on a real project that's impacting real people. That was a moment that really solidified for me that I'm in the right place. Here I am studying engineering. This is what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm inspired to be an engineer because I want to use my creativity and problem-solving skills to make the world a better place.